Okay. What is the difference between SQL and NoSQL databases?
SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and NoSQL for not only SQL, and are two different approaches to storing and managing data in a database. Like SQL databases are based on the relational model, which organize data into tables and rows and columns, and mostly require the relationship between data. And in the other hand, the NoSQL are designed to store unstructured data, and they do not use SQL to query and manipulate data. Instead, NoSQL databases use a variety of data models such as key value, document stores, graph databases, and column family stores. And they are mostly used for the well suited for applications that require fast read and write performance.